Welcome back. State BJP President Lakshmikant Parsekar is confident that North Goa MP Shripad Naik, who has been denied ticket from Porvorim, will work for the party during the election. BJP is also trying to pacify Shripad's angry supporters to be active in the poll campaign.
Electionang contest केल्यारूच इलेक्शनाक आसता असो आसा. इलेक्शनाक प्रचाराक आसता असो.
श्रीपाद बाबाचो प्रश्न काय ना. तो पक्षा बरोबर सामको निश्चित आसा. पण ताजे जे काही समर्थक आसा मेळटात ते. पण ते म्हणटा आमी खुबले आमी बेजार जाता. तांकां कन्विन्स करपाचे खातीर तुमी तांचे कडेन कितें जागो शकता.
सगळे कन्विन्स जातले आमकां खात्री आसा.
BJP held a press briefing in the capital city on Wednesday. He also claims that the talks with the MGP on alliance are positive.
पण माझ्या अंदाजान खरीच ती सकारात्मक चालू आसात आणि ह्या आठवड्याच्या अखेरपर्यंत मटेरियलाइज निश्चित जातली आणि मटेरियलाइज जातकीर नो सूनर द थिंग्स आर मटेरियलाइज वी विल कम टू यू.
Many Congress leaders are seen joining BJP. Ganesh Gaonkar from Sawadde joined BJP on Wednesday. He had contested on Congress ticket in 1999 and had just lost by 500 votes to BJP candidate Vinay Tendulkar. He wants to contest election from Sawadde on BJP ticket.
टिकेट मेळ्ळी जाल्यार पार्टीची जे कितें ऑर्डर आसा ती आमी फॉलो करतलो. इंडिपेंडंट वचपाचो प्रश्नूच येना. इश्यूज म्हणजे सांगता तुमकां हांव सामको एक फर्स्ट इश्यू म्हणटा सामको बेकारी. दुसरो इश्यू सामको उदकाचो. पयशकार एम हांव तुमकां विचारता परत एक प्रश्न. पयशकार MLA कितले मिनटां विधानसभेक हजर आसा आनी कितले मिनटां मतदारसंघाचे प्रश्न उलयला. मिनटां वरां आनी दीस न्हू ते तुमी म्हाका सांगपाक शकता जाल्यार सांगा.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Newly elected chairman of Goa Dairy, Shrikant Naik, says he will make efforts to make Goa Dairy a financially strong institution. He says that he will work to increase the productivity and potential of Goa's only and largest cooperative milk producers institution.
Shrikant Pandurang Naik took the charge as the new chairman of Goa Dairy on Wednesday. The election for the post of chairman was held on Wednesday. Total 12 directors were present for the election. The election was held in presence of Assistant Registrar Ramesh Naik.
आणि हे इन्स्टिट्यूशन ज्या फार्मर ओरिएंटेड म्हणजे दूधकारांचे शेतकऱ्यांचे दूधकारांक हांगा येवचें पडपाना जाल्यार आमी दूधकारांच्या दारांक वयपाक जाय. तेंचे कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा कितें आसा हे सॉल्व करून एकंदर गोवा डेरीचें किंवा गोंयचें दूध वाडपाक शकता. कित्याक आमी हेजे पयलीं दाखयलेलें आसा 50,000 आमी दूध केल्लें आमचें लोकल. तशेंच मार्केटींग आमी जवळ जवळ 90,000 केल्लें. म्हणजे पोटेन्शियलिटी आसा पूण आमी सगळे एक ग्रूप म्हणून टीम म्हणून संचालक दूधकार कामगार सगळे एक तर आमी तर जाले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना की अवघड आसा म्हणून तें. आमी तो इतिहास परत रिपीट करपाक शकता आणि एक डेरी एक फायनान्शियल स्ट्रॉंग अशें इन्स्टिट्यूशन जें आमी मेंटेन करपाक शकता.
Former chairman of Goa Dairy, Madhav Sarkari, has forwarded full support to the newly elected chairman. The election for the board of Goa Dairy was held on 15th of January. Shrikant Naik's panel had won the election 7-5. A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
We are from Fatorda, are surprised with Camilo Barretto's step to support Vijay Sardesai in Fatorda. We are from Fatorda had projected Camilo as their candidate. They claim that they will not support Vijay and Congress in Fatorda. Members of We Are from Fatorda, however, ready to support Camilo if he contests election independently. We Are from Fatorda had a press briefing on Wednesday at Madgaon. They are not in favor of Camilo Barretto's step to support Vijay Sardesai. The members of this opponent group of Vijay have made it clear that they will not support Vijay and Congress in their constituency. However, they are ready to support Barretto if he contests election independently.
आमी सगळे फातोर्डा ST युनायटेड स्टील युनायटेड आसा आनी आमगेलो सपोर्ट आमी कोणाकूय तरी आमी हें करतले पूण काँग्रेसाक दिवपाना. काँग्रेसा फातोर्डा काँग्रेसा आमी आमगेलो सपोर्ट दिवपाना. फातोर्डा ST युनायटेड आसा दिवपाना आनी जावं कामिलानी कोणा सपोर्ट करता ते कॅन्डिडेट बी आमी सपोर्ट करपाना.
कोणा दितले म्हणल्यार BJP दितले खंयचे पार्टी दितले
कोणाक दितले पूण आमी डिसिजन घेवना. पूण फातोर्डा काँग्रेसाक दिवपाना आनी कामिलानी सपोर्ट प्रत्येक कॅन्डिडेटाक आमी दिवचे ना.
We Are From Fatorda had projected Camilo Barreto as their candidate. They had also announced his candidature from Fatorda. However, this drastic step by Camilo has shocked many members of We Are From Fatorda.
विजय सरदेसाय आणि दिगंबर कामत आणि चेचिलान आपण म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शनाक आपण उडयला म्हणून पूण आपण तेका विजय जॉईन जावन तेका आपण उडयतलो म्हणून तो आमकां सदां सांगतालो. पूण आतां पळय कितें जाता तें आमी ते स्टील आमी ताका विजयाक सपोर्ट करपाक.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias. Udgoikara has threatened to approach the court if no action is taken against bogus voters in Reshmagos. The civil society group has claimed that Bardes Mamladar has not taken any action against the 1,767 bogus voters in spite of several complaints. They say they have documents to prove their claims.
Members of Ut Goenkara have written to the Election Commission of India and the Chief Electoral Officer to take suo motu cognizance of the issue.
In spite of this existing factual situation of illegal migrant voters of Reshmagos village, if the elections of Saligaon constituency is held without taking a suo motu cognizance of this illegal voters issue, then Ut Goenkara will term these elections as not to be in the interest of the constitutional democracy, and so we will have to challenge the results of these elections in the court of law.
The members also say that such bogus voters are used by politicians to gain votes.
बोगस वोटिंगाक लागून जायते आमचे आमदार गेल्या इलेक्शनाक निवडून येयले आनी तांचो वायट परिणाम आमचेर गोंयकारांचेर जालो. आनी ह्याय वर्सा जायते उमेदवार बोगस वोटिंगाचेर डिपेंड जाल्ले आसा. ही बोगस वोटिंग वोट बँकान तर वचना जाल्यार आमकां गोंयकारांक केन्नाच गोंयच्या मोगाचो आनी गोंयकारांच्या आवडीचो सरकार आमकां केन्नाच मेळचो ना अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.